We're making a delectable vegan cannelloni with spinach, lentils and tomatoes. Subscribe for more vegan recipes. You're going to need 1.5 cups of brown lentils, a third of a bunch of spinach, 1 red onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, some chili flakes, a vegan stock cube, a can of diced tomatoes, and some origanum. You're also going to need flour, margarine, and 1 3/4 of a cup of almond milk for your sauce, and then we're going to top with vegan cheese. Wash and rub your spinach and set it over the pot of lentils to boil. Dice your onions and your garlic. Then saute your onions in a little oil until they are translucent, and then add the garlic and saute for another minute. You do not want your spinach to overcook or get mushy. You just want it to wilt nicely. Then squeeze out the excess water and dice that. Add that to the pan. Add the lentils to the pan, the chili flakes, a crumbled stock cube, and your Italian seasoning, your origanum, and stir that to combine with 2 tablespoons of water. Add a third of the can of the diced tomatoes to the pan, return to the heat, stir to combine, and adjust your seasoning. Melt 3 tablespoons of margarine and remove from the heat. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and stir to combine, making sure there are no lumps. Once that is done, add a little of the milk to the pot and stir to combine. Now return to the heat and gently, slowly add the balance of the milk, stirring all the time until the sauce thickens. And you can use purpose-made cannelloni noodles for this, but I've used lasagna noodles. You just need to boil them for a few minutes to soften them. Then we're going to construct the dish. Add the balance of the can of diced tomatoes to a baking dish. Add salt and pepper. Now lay your lasagna noodle on top of that tomato sauce and roll it up. Cut away any excess and start layering them from the side of the dish to the other side of the dish. Then we are going to cover that with the white sauce that we've made. Just check your seasoning, make sure that you've added salt and pepper to your sauce, and then top with some vegan cheese and bake for 35 to 45 minutes at 108 degrees Celsius.